Hey there, recruiters and HR professionals. Today, let's talk about a simple way to boost your productivity and learning by getting the most out of ChatGPT or other generative AI tools. If you've ever tried ChatGPT and thought the answers weren't quite right, don't worry. The secret is in how you ask. Think of it like a helpful colleague. It gives you better results when you're clear, specific, and give it a bit of guidance. Here are some basic examples to prompt ChatGPT. We'll get more complex in future talks, but for now, let's stick with the basics. Start with context. Let it know your goal or the role you're playing. For example, I'm a recruiter preparing for an interview. Be specific about what you need. Instead of saying, tell me about behavioral interviews, try list 5 key behavioral interview questions for a tech role. Ask for the format you want. Do you want a checklist, a step-by-step guide, or a short summary? Just say so. Use follow-up questions. If the answer isn't quite what you want, ask the AI to elaborate or give examples. Experiment with tone. If you need a friendly response or a formal explanation, include that in your prompt. Break down big requests. Instead of asking for everything at once, tackle one step at a time. This helps AI stay focused. Ask it to quiz you or role play. For learning, you can prompt ChatGPT to act as an interviewee or even test your knowledge with questions. Here's an example prompt you can use to turn ChatGPT into your learning partner. ChatGPT, help me learn the basics of behavioral interviewing. Give me a step-by-step guide and quiz me at the end. Just notice how giving context, instructions, and even your preferred format makes a big difference in the quality of the response. So next time you're sourcing candidates, designing training, or learning a new HR skill, put these tips into action. The more you experiment and refine your prompts, the better and smarter your AI becomes for you. Ready to see how much more helpful ChatGPT can be? Try these tips today and make it your go-to learning partner. Until next time, keep learning and leading with purpose.